How to open TikTok on mute. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First thing first, let's go ahead and update our TikTok application. Head over to your Play Store. Then here, simply search for TikTok. If the application shows update, tap onto update and update your app. If it shows open, you have to open it. Now, as you can see that my TikTok is already starting on mute. In your case, this might be different, but if you would like it to open on mute as well, here is what you can do. Tap onto your profile on your bottom right corner, then tap on 3-bar icon on your right hand side. Choose Settings and Privacy. Scroll below, then you will see the option of Playback. Open it. Here you will see Open TikTok on mute. Toggle on this button, and every time you open up TikTok, it will play your video in mute. Just like so, this is how you can do the same as well. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then don't forget to like and subscribe.